Okay, a quick overview of Unit 3. This is, I think, a very exciting unit. We're going to be slowing down and getting to Chapter 10. Now we enter the second part of the textbook, Neural Networks and Deep Learning. And when most people talk about machine learning these days, this is what they're talking about, neural networks and deep learning. Deep learning is simply the application of some learning techniques to large neural networks. And so this deep learning is synonymous with large neural networks. So that's again, and we're going to start with chapter 10 here on introduction to artificial neural networks with this library called Keras, which makes it relatively easy to implement neural network layers and set them up for that. So we're not going to be doing 3 units. I know that's probably going to be disappointing. In fact, we're only going to be doing a part of chapter 10. And then later on, we'll return and do the second part of that. So the unit checklist is pretty simple. There's just one notebook for chapter 10 here, and then read the first half of chapter 10 here. So this starts again at the beginning here and ends in this unit, the building regression multi-layer perceptron using sequential thing. We're not going to do the regression part. We're actually going to skip over that. But we will return to this building complex networks with the functional API. Later on, when we get to more complicated neural networks, we'll come back to this half of the unit. So again, and then there's a mini project. We're going to do a pet finder competition using Kaggle, which is a well-known machine learning competition and learning site. So we will introduce you to that and stuff. So similar, do the notebook, the couple answers in there, put them in the write-up, and then do the mini project. Make sure you do a couple discussion posts, share some information on that. We're getting to more complicated projects and code. Well, I guess there's more things I think to test out. So hopefully you'll have a couple more questions as we go for that. So that's the goal for this unit.